Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Ipsy Unbagging for the month of July. My Ipsy bag came pretty late this month. Normally it's BoxyCharm that's late, but this time it was the other way around. So we'll just go ahead and jump right into this. This is what the bag looks like this month. It's blue, and it's really pretty. It kind of has like almost like a iridescent or holographic, I'm not sure which, reflect to it. And then it has this little charm right here that says Ipsy, which is what I was picking at in the beginning of this video because it's wrapped for whatever reasoning. I don't know why that is like that, but oh, okay. It's like a rubber feeling to it. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. And the first product in here that I'm going to try out is the H2O Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. I guess I don't even know. I'm pretty sure this is cruelty free. I think this is cruelty free. It looks like this though. It's cute. I guess I should probably tell you the theme of the bag first. So July 2018, July 2018, 2018, yeah. That's it. There's no theme, but this is what the card looks like this month. I don't know who that lady is, but she is very pretty. So let's go ahead and put this on my face because I have not moisturized yet. And my dry skin is in need of some moisturization. This piece of hair. Whatever, we'll just do that and forget about it. So it has like a blue tint to it. Ooh, it smells very minty. Okay, feels nice. It's like a cooling feeling to it. Yeah, it smells really like minty medicinal. It's kind of thick, but I feel like it's blending right in. It's making my face red. It's cute. Yeah, it feels nice. It is making my face really red though, so I'm hoping I'm not reacting to it because that would really suck. It smells kind of like bug spray. Like, you guys know that smell that bug spray has to it? Like that. Not quite as intense. It smells like bug spray mixed with mint. But it's not bad. I'm using a lot of it, but I feel like it's like immediately sinking into the skin. Okay. So I guess let's see how my makeup goes on top of this. The next product is something I can't try out for you guys, but I'll go ahead and talk about it. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner. It looks like this. I actually got the shampoo version of this last month of my Ipsy, so I'm very glad that they didn't give me another one of those. They gave me the conditioner. I have not tried the shampoo yet, but now I'm excited that I haven't because now I can try them together, so that's cool. I'm going to go ahead and put some makeup on really quick until we can get to a place where I can talk about some more products. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back looking ghostly, so now it's time to set the face, and for that I'm going to use this little guy right here. This is the Manicadar Step 2, and this is the Flawless Finish Dual Powder in the shade C3 Flawless Linen. So it is a colored powder, so hopefully this is what it looks like in the packaging. So hopefully it doesn't, it's not too dark or too light. If I can get it open. How does this open? I feel like it twists, but it's not twisting. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, so it looks like this. Looks a little bit yellowy. Doesn't really have a scent to it. I don't know why I smell everything, but I do. So let's just go ahead and take this guy right here and just go for it, I guess. It does look like it's gonna be dark. Yeah. It's a little dark. So I'm gonna try to avoid the under eye as much as possible, but I kinda already just went right into the under eye, so guess we're just gonna be a little bit dark today. That's okay. I'm pretty ghostly pale anyway, so maybe this is just their way of saying I need a tan. I'm gonna set my eye as well with this, just because I do have concealer on my eye. So I need to make sure that I definitely get this everywhere, because otherwise my face is gonna be two different colors, more than it normally is. And the forehead. I would love to say this would be great for a summer shade, but it is summer and I'm still pale, so I feel like I always forget to set between my brows, and that's the only place I get oily, is right there. So I do have very dry skin, but for some reason I get oily between my eyebrows, so there's that. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it was. Let me see. Let me look close up. It's definitely powdery. And definitely tell I went a little ham with it, just trying to even everything out. Let's see if I spray my face with a setting spray, if that'll kind of like help melt everything together. Still kind of powdery. Let's see. I'm gonna take a sponge. I can get one out of here. Just kind of. I need to dampen this sponge as well. I'm just gonna use this setting spray. Oh, I did. I sprayed it backwards. Smart. Okay, so just getting this sponge nice and damp. It is dirty on this side, but we're using this side, so it's okay, right? I'm just gonna press that in right through here where I feel like it looks a little powdery. Like that. And then I'm going to take the powder brush that we used right here and just kind of tap over that again. And then it looks a little bit less crusty, so that's good. Okay. So it's gonna be another minute before I have another product to use. So I'm gonna finish up my face real quick. Be right back. Okay, and we're back again. So I finished up most of my makeup, but now we're about to talk about this guy right here. This is the Ofra eyeshadow in the shade, I have no idea. I don't know. It looks kind of funny in there because I did take it out and already swatch it. Ignore that swatch right there. That's for a different video. I'm working on a new challenge video for you guys that I've never seen before. But let me tell you, it's a challenge. So hopefully that'll be up before too long. But I still am trying to figure out a few things for that. But this is what the shade looks like right here. I don't see a name. Maybe it's on the back. You open it up, it's like this. It does just go in like a Z palette. Yeah, no, there's no name. I'm gonna have to figure that out and let you guys know what the name of this shadow is. It's really pretty. Just stuck my fingernail in it, of course. It's like an orange coppery color. I'm gonna put it on the lid. I just went with like a really simple eye look today, just because I'm just gonna pop this on the lid and call it good. But let's see. I'm not gonna wet it first, just because I feel like Ofra shadows are really pigmented, so I feel like it'll be okay without it, but we'll see. So there is without it. That's really pretty. I need a mirror though, because that one is too far away to see without my glasses on. So let's just pop this. This is the palette I have on my eyes in conjunction with this shadow, if you're wondering. It's the Dominique Latte palette. Yeah, I am gonna go ahead and spray this. Let's just see what happens, because I want a little something something more, I guess. There's that. Now let's try it again. A little better, I suppose. I don't know. It's blending really well. It's pretty. It's just not as intense as I want it to be. But it is really pretty. I'll use it again, of course. And I like Ofra shadows. They last a long time and they look really nice. Dropping things. It wouldn't be my video if I didn't drop something though. Ooh. I sprayed this one a little extra and it's looking a little bit better. So maybe I just needed to spray it a little more. Okay. I like it. I like it. So I'm going to take just a fluffy brush that has no product on it and just kind of blend those colors together into the crease just a little bit, just to make it look a little more seamless. And then I'm going to run it along the lower lash line as well, just to blend those colors out more. So there's that. I'm going to pop on some mascara real quick, just because I didn't get a mascara in the bag. So I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara that I just got from BoxyCharm this month. I've been on the fence about this one, but I think I like it. And I also think I put too much chin highlight on. What do you guys think? Do you like this mascara if you've tried it? Does it look bad on my lashes? I can't decide. I'm leaning towards I like it. Okay, I'm gonna dip in again for this eye. Every time I put on mascara, I forget I'm filming and I just like go silent. So I'm sorry about that. But mascara, aside from eyeshadow, mascara is my favorite part about doing makeup. I don't know why. I just think it's so relaxing. And I love watching my lashes go from like nothing to just like really pretty lashes. Even though my lashes aren't that great, I feel like they're not terrible. I don't know. I could be completely wrong and they could be like the worst lashes ever, but you know. That's okay. We're making it work. So there is my lashes with this mascara. So moving on to the last product, and the reason why I went with a neutral eye, because it is this lip product right here, and I have no idea what color it is, so I didn't want to like do a crazy eye and this have this be like a red or something. So this is La Beauté or La Butte Fatale. I think it's La Butte Fatale. I don't know this brand. I feel like I may have heard of them. Let's see. I feel like that's a bunny. Sorry guys, but I can't see this. Yeah, there's a bunny on the bottom. So this is cruelty free. Sorry, I cannot see anything without my glasses, so I'm sorry about that. Let's see. Ooh, okay. This came already rolled up, so that's cute. Packaging is it's really cheapy, but that's okay. But I'm glad I went with a neutral eye because holy crap, that's intense. Doesn't really have a scent. No, it doesn't. Let's see. That's pretty. I don't usually wear colors like this. If I was gonna wear a color like this, it would be in a liquid lip formula, but that's okay. We're gonna try it for this video. I have to go pick up my grandma after they film this and take her to the store, so that'll be fun. I feel like I need to wipe off my chapstick first. Okay. I just threw that. Whatever. Who cares? Probably a color you want to put a lip liner down with, but you know me. I never do that. These are really pretty. I actually really like this color. It's definitely not gonna be like transfer proof because it is a cream formula. And I don't think it's going to dry down matte. Even if it did, it would probably still transfer. Because it is a lipstick. You guys, this feels really nice. I actually really like this. I don't know how long it's gonna last or anything like that. Obviously, this is just kind of a first impressions video, but first impressions is it just got in my hair. I like it. With this eye look, sure, but I don't know. I'm gonna spray my face one more time. Now let's do our final talk. So, going back through I don't know why I just zipped that because I'm about to put everything back in here. The moisturizer, I liked it. Like, I don't have like a, oh my god, it works amazingly, my lips are so moisturized, my face is so moisturized review on this yet, but it felt nice. Did make my skin really red, but that's okay. It kind of smells bug spray-ish. I feel like I need to like set up better, but it's whatever. I'm almost out of moisturizer, so I'm glad I have this guy now to make it last a little bit longer. Next was the Briogeo stuff. I still don't have a review on this because I don't know yet, but this is actually probably what I'm going to be using next because I have the shampoo too, so I'll probably use this next and then I can let you guys know how I feel about it. The Manicadar powder, I don't know about this one. I need to use it some more. It does kind of look a little powdery, but after I wet the sponge and then kind of went over it, it looks a little bit better. I just worry that it's going to be a little too cakey, and it is a little bit too dark for me, but that's okay. Like, I kind of look alive, so I think it could be good. So we'll keep using that. The Ofra eyeshadow, I like it. It's a pretty color. It's not as like super as intense as I want it to be. I have lipstick on my teeth. That's cute, right? But that's okay. Like, it's still a really good eyeshadow. Ofra makes a really good formula. I have never tried an Ofra product I didn't like, so that's cool. And this lipstick, the Femme Fatale, or not Femme Fatale, La Beaute Fatale, it's a really pretty color. I don't know. I kind of want to try like a nude, which is so basic of me to say, but just because I don't feel like I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this because it is a lipstick formula. If this was a liquid lip, you know I would be wearing this all the time because it's a really pretty color, but I just know this is going to get everywhere. My hair's already getting in it, so it's pretty. I like the formula. It's really creamy. It feels really soft on the lips. Like, some lipsticks can kind of have like that gritty feeling sometimes. This does not have that. I am kind of also worried that it's going to feather because I feel like it's kind of already starting to do that, but just putting on a lip liner would fix that. And it's getting on my teeth, so make sure you do the little donut trick thing. But yeah, overall, I feel like this was a really good bag. I'm happy with everything I got. Everything is cruelty free. Maybe not the H2O Beauty thing, but I'm pretty sure it is. Like, I feel like I've gotten H2O Beauty before and I feel like it was cruelty free. So I'm gonna have to like set up first of all, but I'm gonna have to definitely look into that. I will of course leave the product values and all the information down below as I always do. But that is all I have for you guys today. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Like the challenge video that I created, I've never seen it done, but it's probably been done. But I'm excited to show you guys that. I just need to get a few more things, like I said, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you are already subscribed, then turn on my notification bell so you're notified every time I upload and you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And yeah, that's all I have. Bye guys.